I'm Neil Silvert from Peat Sorb. Today we're going to demonstrate our water hydrocarbon absorbent. So we start off with a mixture. These are 8-ounce bottles of half and half of hydraulic oil and water. We have used oil and water 50-50. We have regular 5W30 oil and water 50-50. And we have diesel fuel and water 50-50. We have our hydrocarbon absorbent, water hydrocarbon absorbent, 8 ounces. Just pour it on. We start to mix it in. There you go, absorbed. Yep, that's pretty dry. Now what we're going to do is what I call the paper towel test. Take this product, take some of this product, put it into the paper towel, give it a good squeeze, no leakage at all. So, everything is absorbed in the water hydrocarbon absorbent. There's no leaching or dripping. Let's add in 12 more ounces of water. Mix it around. It's pretty dry. Take another paper towel, put in some, give it a good squeeze, no leakage, fully absorbed. So let's take 16 more ounces of water and pour it in. Mix it around. Pretty dry. Take one more paper towel. So that's 16 ounces of water, 12 ounces of water, and then 32 ounces, half and half of water and different hydrocarbons. It's 8 ounces of the WHA and 60 ounces of liquids. Put in the paper towel, give it a good squeeze. Nothing. Dry.